See if we can hit one here. 10. Out 7. Nope. We 7'd out, so all these would lose. Okay. So now we go level 2. Which your base bet is now $10. Level 3 base bets can be $25. Level 4, $50. Level 5 base bet's going to be $100. Level 6 base bet's going to be $200. Level 7 is table max, $500. Alright, the puck is off. We got a new shooter. He's gonna pick out his dice here. Alright, dice are moving, dice are out. Let's go. 10. Point is now 10. We're gonna do a combat. And we're going to roll 8. 5 times odds. We're going to drop 10 times 5 is 50. We're going to drop 50 to the dealer. Say odds on my 8. I'm going to put 10 times 3 is 30. I'm going to put my 30 back like that. I'm going to leave it tilt. So the dealer knows you're going to have 30 back here and not 10. Make sure he sees that green a little bit. Odds pay double. And we're going to do more combat. Oh, 7 out. Okay. We win on the come out, $10 there. The rest of these go down. All right, slow start. We're in for 300, right? Now we're going to level 3. So we're going to need a bankroll of about 500. So we have 100. All right, let's do. So you got a chip rack back here, and we're gonna throw in 3 Franklins. We're gonna get 300 more. So we're gonna now be in for 600. So we're gonna take 6 red chips, and I would in my bottom rack put it in the right corner, and then leave it there so we know we're in for 600. That makes sense. So I'll set those here, not play them. And we're going to get 300. We're at level 3. New pair of dice. We're gonna come out. New game. 6. Points now 6. We're going to just do a combat. And again, we're not going to do odds till we get 2 of these working here. 10. Alright. Times 3 odds. We're going to throw 75 at the dealer, and you're going to tell him odds on the 10. Alright. Odds on the 6. We're going to need 125. And another combat. Let's see what happens. 10. Alright. That's going to pay 175. Black chips are 100. So it's going to pay 175 off and on. Here you get 25 in the front for your base bet. That's even. And your 75 in the back pays 150. Pays 2 to 1. Okay. It's off and on, so you're just going to tap like that. You're going to put that back in your rack. Alright, so now what I'm going to do with the strategy is we're no longer going to do a combat. So this, if it's not up here, you can just take it off. The odds are no contract. You can take these down at any time. So I'm going to put that back in my rack. And right away I'm going to tell the dealer, take my odds down. Okay. So now we just won 175 and we only have $50 out there. So gradually we probably made a little bit of money, but we're going to try to go for a 10 or a 6 now. And if we can hit the 6, we'll go back to level 1 here on the pass line, which is $5. And then we can try to start place betting with our profit if the shooter goes further. So rather than regression stage, we're going to progress with our profit. Nine. We want a 6 or a 10. 8. 4. 8. 8. 6 winner. All right. We didn't win with odds, but we don't have to risk them. Okay, we're not going to use any red there, so we know we're going for 600. And I'm going to drop 25 to the dealer, say change 25. Say, all right. So, we're back to level 1. We just made our profit. Now we're going to hopefully hit a 10 and then maybe start place betting. I'll show you how it works if we get to that. If not, we're going to go in between levels and gradually get a profit. So it's a pretty good strategy by taking your odds off by your 1 win, because if you leave your odds out there, like all these other strategies show you, you have to hit your points 3, 4, 5 times in order before you 7 out, and then it all goes away. So this is not a bad strategy. You do need a big bankroll, but we're doing pretty good. we start off with 300 in the beginning. Once we make 300, we're done. 300 profit. So we're on for 6. Make over 900, we're done. So you want to get out in the short term. So. All right, same dice because we hit our point. 9. Points now 9. We still want a 10 before we place bet. Get as much profit as you can. So we're going for the 10. 10. All right. So it's going to come down. You're just going to pay you like that in the middle. All right. We are looking good here. So now if a 5 through 8 hits here, we're going to place bet. Hopefully I can show you. 10. We're going to place the 5 through 9. 5 hit. Okay, so I'm going to throw $5 in the come area and tell the dealer, bet the 5. We can say place the 5. We say bet the 5. It's the same thing. Okay. So now if that hits, it's going to pay 7 to 5. 4. Out 7. We did okay. We made profit. We went with $10, so we might be a little ahead. Okay. So whenever you're done with level 1, always go back to level 2. You want to get your odds profit, take your odds down, and then start your place betting. We're at level 2. You want to have about 30 in red. So I'm going to drop to dealer 25 and change. All right. Level 2, $10. New dice, new game here. Pretty crap. That's okay. Aces, wow. 8. Do a combat. And we're going to roll. 8 winner. Travels to the 8. And get paid here. Six. All right. 5 times odds on the 8. 10 times 5 is 50. Drop the dealer $50. Say odds on my 8. I'm going to put 50 on my odds back here. And do another combat. 4. 3 times odds. I'm going to drop to the dealer $30.